For those who feel discouraged by this world, worn down by the noise, the pressure, the opinions, the chaos, I want you to know this truth that God has for us. He will never forsake you. Never. When the world pushes you down, He's the one pulling you right back up. Even when you feel unseen, He sees you, and that can be so hard to grasp. Even when you feel unsupported, He goes before you and stands behind you. He has your back. The world may shake you, but it cannot remove what God has placed in your life, the blessings He has gifted you. In Deuteronomy 31:8, the Lord is the one who will go before you. He will be with you. He will not leave you or abandon you. Do not be afraid or discouraged. And God has never stopped fighting for you. He is our Father, our Savior, our friend. He will never leave you. You are held by God, held so very dearly.